subscribe to my channel and watch hundreds of DIY videos. Skeleton LED chaser without using integrated chip. I'm using 3 NPN transistors, 1, 2, 3, 3 LEDs, 3 capacitors, 100 microfarads each, 3 5 kilo ohm resistors, and also 3 390 ohms resistors.
USB connector, and it's made in skeleton version and look amazing. And I'm gonna put it into the epoxy resin. Let's do it. After a couple of hours, the epoxy resin have cured. And here it is. USB LED chaser with 3 LEDs in epoxy resin. But it don't turn out very well. There are too many bubbles. Let's try it. This is my homemade portable power supply that gives 5 volts. You can check in my videos how to make this. To turn off the lights. Okay. And it's working great. I hope you liked today's project, which was a simple LED chaser with transistors in epoxy resin that don't turn out very well. I will make a better one next time. Please share, subscribe and like my video. Today's project is Arduino clock, and I'm gonna use this big LED dot matrix model, the real-time clock, the Arduino board. Here is the schematic. But first, let me tell you how much cost the real-time clock just like this one. I got it from eBay. And it's $1.26. It's a Arduino DS3231 model, one of the most used real-time clocks models. The next thing is this big 4-in-1 LED dot matrix display. This is very cool, and let me show you how much cost that. Just type 4-in-1 LED dot matrix. Okay, it's around $6. It's a great gadget and you can do a lot of projects with this. Okay, here is the schematic. Beside the Arduino board you will need also one photoresistor. Here it is, and this one will detect when it's night or day, so can automatically adjust the brightness of the LED display, which is nice detail. I have already connected all the wires from the display and the real-time clock. All the components I'll connect it with jumping wires just for experimenting and showing how this works. In link below this video I'll put a website where you can visit and download the code and see the schematic. Now I'm gonna plug in and see how it works. Whoa! It's a scrolling clock that shows the time, the date, the temperature. Yes, this real-time clock have also a temperature sensor inside, beside the battery that hold the time. And let me kill the lights so you can see the brightness that will be adjusted out. Look, now the brightness is lower because the lights are killed. Now you can see very well, and voila, brightness at 100%. It's very cool project, and I like it because it's a scrolling clock with the temperature, with the date and all that. I hope you liked today's project. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. In today's video, I will try to make a very special USB cable, and that cable is USB flowing cable or glow in dark cable. And for making, I need a thin copper isolated wire, this rubber hose, male USB connector, also female USB connector, couple of LEDs. These are great. Why? Because they are RGB. Let's turn the lights off. RGB self-oscillating LEDs that are fading, blinking. Okay, and resistors for the LEDs. These one are 680 ohms. Okay, before I start building, I will explain the circuit diagram and what is the plan. The plan is we have negative wire, positive wire. On beginning, I have male USB connector. On end I have female USB connector. This will be an extension cable. All negative leads from the LEDs will be soldered on one wire, just like this. After the LEDs, on each LED I will solder a resistor 680 ohms for each LED. And basically it's a simple diagram, but will be tough for making and placing all the LEDs inside the holes. But I'm gonna try it. I solder all LEDs on negative wire. You can see that. And now I'm gonna solder the positive wire to all resistors. The LED flowing cable is ready to be placed inside the hose, and how I will do that you're gonna see in next seconds.
I finally did it. It was a tough job, but I did it, and I make a flowing LED cable with RGB LEDs. Basically it's a extension cable with male and female USB connector, and now I'm gonna try it. Look, it's working. And it look awesome. Let's try something else. Take my mini power bank. I hope you like today's project, which is very cool USB LED cable. Please share, subscribe and like today's video. Whoa. This LED light bulb is dead, and I'm gonna convert into disco LED light bulb. Let's start. Beside the LED light bulb that you will need, an electronic adapter that gives 5 volts or more, LEDs and resistors. Whoa. Okay. This power supply will give me around 5 volts. have soldered on each LED a resistor of 270 ohms. All negative leads from LEDs are soldered together on this wire, which is negative, and all positive leads from the LEDs through 270 ohm resistor are also together in one point. This is the wire, and now I'm gonna solder these two wires, negative and positive, to my power supply, digital power supply that give 5 volts. The disco LED bulb is almost finished, and to explain one more time, I'm using that light bulb case, and from here the two wires that come from ground and live wire goes to the digital power supply that give 5 volts, positive and negative, and those wires are going to each LED that have resistor soldered on, and it's simple, and I'm expecting that will work. It's finished. Disco LED show light. Let's try it. To kill the lights off. It turned out amazing, guys. Each LED is blinking in RGB effect. By the way, I'm using RGB blinking LEDs. Wow. Pretty amazing.